Croeso I Bencadlys Cymdeithas Pêl-drod Cymru. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales for today's quarter-final draw of the Dragon Signs Amateur Trophy. Today I'm joined by Nathan Black from Dragon Signs and Willoyd Williams, who is the current chair of the National Cup Board. Congratulations to the 8 teams that progressed to the quarter-final of the Dragon Signs Amateur Trophy over the weekend. Today we're here to conduct the draw for the next round. So Nathan will be drawing the home teams and Will be drawing the away teams. But before we start, we're here with our sponsors today. So Nathan, I was just wondering if you could tell us a little bit about why it was important for Dragon Signs to get involved in the competition.
Absolutely, Dragon Signs, we're keen followers in the business of many sports. Gives a great opportunity in building our brand and joining the FAW on what's been an incredible journey, certainly over the last 12 months, and we're looking forward to very much the future with the FAW.
Definitely, and Will, obviously as chair of the Cup Board that administers the competition, it's the first time we've ever had a sponsor for the Amateur Trophy, so how important is that for the FAW?
Well, it's a pleasure to welcome Nathan here today to do the draw, and also it's the first time in history that this trophy has had a sponsor, so all systems go, and thank you very much, Nathan, and Dragon Signs.
Thank you. Well, thank you.
Right, now we'll proceed to the draw. So Nathan, if you want to give the balls a swirl and pull out that first home team for the next round.
First team for the draw is Bridgend Street.
And they will play Rhos Aylwyd.
Nice journey down south for Rhos.
Our second team, Cardiff Corinthians.
Corinthians will play Llandrindod Wells from Mid Wales.
The third home team, Pill AFC.
Pill obviously progressed on penalties in the last round of the competition. Travelling to Pill will be
Denbigh Town. A nice journey for Denbigh.
Denbigh progressed past Penydarren in the last round of the competition, so down to the final tie.
So the final tie will be the home team, Thomas Bluebirds.
And going to Thomas will be Baglan Dragons.
Good luck to the 8 teams remaining in the competition. The ties for the quarter-final of the Dragon Signs Amateur Trophy will take place on the 18th of February.